What's something people don't know about goldfish? They're mini geniuses. Myth #1. Goldfish have a 3-second memory. Busted. Goldfish can actually remember things for months, and they can even be trained to do tricks. Myth #2. Cracking your knuckles causes arthritis. False. Studies show that while it may annoy everyone around you, it doesn't increase your risk of arthritis. Myth #3. Bats are blind. Not true. Bats can see quite well and use their vision in combination with echolocation to navigate in the dark. Myth #4. Lightning never strikes the same place twice. Wrong again. Lightning can strike the same spot multiple times, especially in tall structures like skyscrapers or trees. Comment your favorite fact, and don't forget to like and subscribe.